It's classic, it's chic, it's anybody's style. It goes with everything and it never, ever, ever fades with time. What am I talking about? It is the black blazer. I am super excited about today's video because it's one of the first videos, well, it is the first video I've done where I actually show off some outfits that I'm styling, and I'm really, really excited about that because I think it'll be helpful for you. This is also one of the most requested videos I've had, which is to style certain pieces in multiple ways. So today's video is all about styling one black blazer 4 different ways. Similar to the LBD or the little black dress, the black blazer is one of the staple pieces that I believe every woman should have in her wardrobe. Why? Because it just simply goes with everything, and it is such a core piece. It can dress up, it can dress down, it can make you feel like a classy, sexy lady when you feel like a crumb bum. It is one of the best pieces that I own in my wardrobe, and I go to it all the time so that I can look and feel my absolute best no matter what situation I'm in. Another reason why I really love the black blazer is because it just helps to create an overall look that is polished without actually needing to be polished or dressed up. It also helps me feel more confident about myself when I'm either in between sizes or just having a rough day. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget that I have a free guide for you that you can download right below this video. It's 3 steps to finding your personal style. It is just 3 little baby pages that'll walk you through some vital questions to help you understand yourself better so that you can really define your sense of personal style. So definitely go check that out in the description box below, download it, and get started. Every single time I do a wardrobe consultation, you know what I find? A black blazer. It is one of the most ubiquitous staple pieces in almost every woman's wardrobe, and today I want to show you 4 simple ways to style a black blazer using items that you probably already have in your closet. Are you ready? Let's get started. I love this look. Look number 1. I'm wearing all black. This is a totally vintage / thrift store find outfit. I love it because it helps me feel protected even though I'm wearing shorts, which can be really uncomfortable feeling. But the black on black works for me, so I rock it. It's just a simple black silk tank top found at the thrift store with the Harvey Bernard black blazer. You can easily pull this off with different color shorts or a different color tank top. It works well for anybody. Again, the purse is also secondhand, and I'll be wearing this throughout the video as well. Super simple, super cute, and very, very playful. I feel like I could wear this pretty much anywhere. Maybe out and about for a date night, movie night, or possibly even to the office. Here's the second look using the same blazer. Again, this entire outfit is from the thrift store. Yep, I love the thrift store. These are vintage Levi's 501s, and they're kind of more of a boyfriend style fit, but it's paired with a J. Crew silk tank top and the same purse from the outfit before. I really love this look because it's casual. I feel very relaxed in it, I feel very comfortable, and the blazer helps to elevate the look, which would otherwise be maybe too casual for every day. But I just think any girl can pull this off. If you've got a black blazer and some boyfriend jeans and a basic tank top, there you go. The third look is a silk on silk skirt with a silk blouse top. I love this outfit. Again, all secondhand. Try wearing your hair up with a blazer to give it a different appeal. I love that this outfit works because of the tones of the blazer and the skirt. Floral skirts are really in right now, and you can find them at just about any retailer. But again, check your consignment shops and thrift stores because you never know what you're going to find. Silk on silk is a classic combo that you definitely have to try. Alright, the final and 4th look is a basic jeans and a t-shirt with a blazer look. You just can't go wrong with this, guys. It's so classic. Right now I'm wearing a pair of H&M jeans I recently got because my other jeans ripped. And I'm just wearing a basic plain white t-shirt that has a fun graphic on the front. Normally don't go for graphics, but hey, this one's totally acceptable because of the old Perry. I love that this look is so effortless, and I feel really comfortable in it. I have to say that even though I'm only wearing 2 secondhand pieces, I still give this an outfit 4 thumbs up. I just feel sexy and fun and relaxed in it, even though it's so simple. And I think it's a look that everyone can achieve. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. I'm super excited for you to get started trying your own ways to style your black blazer using similar pieces that you probably have in your closet. If you have any questions about how to style some of the things in your wardrobe, definitely reach out to me. And don't forget to download that free guide I mentioned earlier. And if you wouldn't mind doing me a favor, like this video and share it with a friend who you think would get a lot out of this. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.